So as you can see now, that's back in there, nice and tight. Can't really move it or anything. See, nice seal there. Clips are in. So always make sure to leave them up a little bit, like that much. Don't push them all the way down. It will be very difficult to get them out later. LED, and now LED. So I'm going to go ahead and test this real quickly. Now, one thing that I'm going to go ahead and say right now, when you replace the rear tail lights or something like this, you may have something called hyperflash, which, if you haven't heard of it, it will happen on this car. I guarantee it, because it already happens because of the back tail lights. There are different ways to fix that, which I will not get into yet. That will be a different video. So it's going to blink super fast. So this doesn't happen on all cars, but this is an old car, and with the LED lights drawing a lot less power, it makes the car's computer think that I have a bulb out. So right off the bat, wow, that is so much brighter than that. So definitely a good buy. Now let me real quickly show you the hyper flash. See, yeah, super annoying, but we'll go ahead and fix that later. So I'm going to go ahead now and do the right side of the car.